Hello everyone, for today we have this mystery box from Samsung, so let's see what is inside it. First we have this card from Samsung, which is really nice as golden card, but what I don't like is that here they didn't include name, so because they have name you order from Samsung website, they should print your name here. So that's one downside, otherwise very nice thank you card. Let's see what else is in the box. So a couple of items I order with the main item. So as you can see, this is the USB cable type C. It's 1 meter long. We will see it later. What else is here? Then we have this charger, because unfortunately they don't provide charger along with the phone, so you need to order separately. But I got this bundle because I pre-ordered this Samsung, so basically I got this free, this whole package, whatever I will show you, it was 3,200 dirhams. What is also bad is that I didn't know that for S22 you need 25 watts charger, and this is 35 watts. But I think it will smartly manage it, the power that it gives in the phone. The next item is the letter case. So it is for Samsung S22. I didn't like the bigger phone, so we will see all this, how it fits on the phone itself. And then the next item is this Galaxy Buds 2. So what was the offer? Either you get the phone and Galaxy Buds Pro and nothing else. So I didn't choose that option. I went for the Buds 2, and then all these other items I got along with the phone. So I think, in my opinion, that was better deal for me. So I got the Buds 2 instead of the Pro, and all these other items came for free. And now the final item is here. And you can see it looks really rubbish. This, for some premium phone to pack it like that, this is really incredibly funny for me. I get that they are going towards this sustainability, no boxes and this, but you can see they send this big box and the card and these things, so really this for package for the premium phone is completely ridiculous to me. So let's unbox the phone and see how it looks. So now let's unbox the phone. I have one help from the beach to unbox the phone, so hopefully this will work. Yeah, look at this really ridiculous package for the premium phone that you pay almost 800 dirham, $800, even more. Oh, I guess there is the box inside. Oh yeah, there is a box. Okay, so this is probably like a protection for the phone. So this is the phone itself, and let's unbox it from the phone. So when you order, it's really important that you see that it's a sealed box. Here, always check these things. If it is open, don't accept and ask for the refund. So this is sealed box directly from Samsung, nothing fake, and we are going to unbox it now. As you can see here, my version is 128 GB. I don't need more, as we can now get cloud storage. And the color is graphite, that's special color when you order online. And now let's unbox again using this item. Hopefully it will work. Even if it damaged the box, it doesn't matter. Okay, so we are opening slowly as it is sand here. Hopefully the phone will not drop. Even if it drops, it's water resistant and I guess sand resistant as well. But let's try to avoid that. So of course inside the box here you will get the phone. This is how the graphite color looks. It's kind of special, so I like it. Let's remove this one. First let me show you what is in the box. Yeah, like you know already, you will not get the charger. So the only thing you will get is the USB here and this pin for changing the card inside. So that's it, and now let's remove from the phone. This is the part that I like the most for the unboxing, removing these final foils, so let's do it. Look at the color, it's really beautiful. And then from the sides here you have as well. That's it. So let's see, is it like, as you can see, this is like a matte color, so it's not finger, like you don't see the fingers when you use it. So that is what I really like. But of course we'll have the cover, leather cover, we'll try it later and see how it looks. So that's all for the unboxing of the mystery box.